Hello and welcome to the channel. Today is just going to be a quick unboxing of this brand new Quicrun 10BL120 G2 ESC from Hobbywing. Quite a lot has changed with this since the original came out. Let's have a look at the packaging, then we'll go through what's changed, what's really good about this ESC, and in the next video I'm going to run it and give you my full review of how it performs. Normal Hobbywing box, 120 amp, suitable for 110. On the back you've got your normal gumph, and nothing new about the box. So let's open it up and see what you get. So why have I done an unboxing of this? Is it not just the same? I mean, it's a G2, but is it not just the same as the original Quicrun 10BL120? Well, not at all. They've made some really good improvements to this. First of all, the actual capacitors, much larger than the original capacitors, as you can see. And it also has an inbuilt BEC, which will now enable you to run 7.4 volts on your servo or anything else that you decide to plug into this. It's got 4mm bullets for your connector of your motor. Also, they've separated so you can put in your program card separate, so you don't have to take in and out the fan every time, which is really nice. The only downside to that is this is no longer programmable by your set button on your button. You can set the parameters of your transmitter, but that's it. If you want to change any of the other settings inside this, then you have to use a program card. It's got the new style button. It does come with an XT60, but I'm going to be changing that out to an XT90 anyway. They have changed the design of this as well, and this is fully waterproof, and it's up to a really high standard on the waterproof, much more than the first one. So it's a fully sealed unit. So it should, I'm not going to throw it in the bath, let it wet or run it in the rain, then this should be really good. There are loads of upgrades on this. It's really worth looking on the Hobbywing page and having a look at the text on this. One of the big things on this is got something called smart freewheeling technology that makes sure the ESC has a higher driving efficiency and lower operating temperature, so the stability and the durability of the ESC are improved apparently. We'll see what that's like in the real world. It has battery low voltage protection, ESC overheat protection, and throttle signal loss protection as well, current protection, and it has capacitor overheat protection in it built in as well. So this ESC, they've put a lot of technology into this. It also runs 2 to 4S as well. Just be careful of what motor you're running with this, because there is parameters on the motor. If you're running it in 4S, it needs to be a slightly bigger motor and below 2600 kV. This ESC is ideal to run in most of your 3/4S 1/10. So if you've got an Armour or a Traxxas or a Tamiya 1/10, then this is going to go in there perfectly. One thing to be aware of though, this is a lot bigger than the original 10BL ESCs. So I'm putting into my 1/10 Relalo AK917. I'm running it on 4S and it just fits in there. I will show some videos in the next video when I'm running this of how it fits in there. But I think the biggest thing with the ESC is the price. Here in the UK, this is going to retail at £50, which must make it the most budget-friendly 4S ESC out there by far. They really are kind of getting their prices down. But yeah, in the UK, £50, brilliant price. Over in the US, it's around $50, around the same. So really in the UK, we should be paying a little bit less, but hey ho, that's how life goes. I've managed to get hold of this. I've got this direct from AMain in the US, and it probably cost about the same once I shipped in everything that it would to buy it in the UK, but it's not yet available in the UK. Model Sport have got it on their website. I'll put a link to that below. It's still on back order, so they haven't got it in stock yet. I don't know when it's due in. For me, this is a really good budget 2 to 4S ESC fantastic build quality. The fan looks really good on it. I love the fact that it's got the 7.4 volts BEC built into it, bigger capacitors, 4mm bullets, and obviously you've also got the 10mm wires as well for your plug, which is a lot better. The new style button, really good. The only downside, like I say, is that you do have to have or buy a program card to program it. But if you're just going to run it and you're not bothered about changing the perimeters on this ESC, then it's nothing to worry about too much. It's on auto battery, so if you put a 2S in it, 3S in it, or a 4S in it, it will auto detect those batteries. So that's my just quick overview, unboxing of this new Quicrun ESC. If I've missed anything, I do apologise, but I will put the links to where you can buy this or where you can have a look at the actual, all the text for it below. Any questions, please don't hesitate to comment. And in the next video, I will be running this on my AK917 on 4S. We'll see if it works or if it blows up. I'm sure it'll be okay, but we will see. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, hit those comment buttons. Lots more videos and content coming. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. PRCing.